Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another food episode. So, today we are doing village style okra soup. Yes. So, we first start off by washing our okra. We want it all clean up. Then, you chop your okra into bits, as you can see here. Very simple. Chop your okra into bits, and then the next step is to boil it. So you add water on fire, then you pour your okra in the water when it boils up to a degree. So our key style for our okra soup was our fresh tuna, and so that was what I used. And then this our okra soup boiling, so allow it to boil for some time, then you take it off. Then you put your palm oil on fire, add a bit of onions. Yes, we need that aroma, so add a bit of onion. Then we add our tomatoes, so add tomatoes, add your pepper and any seasoning of your choice. So this me finally adding everything and then stirring it up, so you have to stir it up on fire. This is village style, remember, so we are using our village pot. So we add our tuna to our stew that was made, and then we mix it and add. So I'm adding my tuna over here, as you can see, gently adding my tuna. Make sure you remove every bone in it, then you put it in. And then the next thing is to add your okra. After your tuna and your stew has boiled for some time, you add your okra, and then you add your salt to taste. Voila, that's it, guys. I hope you follow this recipe and try it, and then give me a comments below. I love you guys. Hope you're enjoying your vlogmas as I am. So I'm going to partner my okra soup with banku. That's the best combination you can have. What are you going to eat your okra soup with, guys? Comment down below, and I hope you enjoy this video as well. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also try my quick village recipe and give me a feedback. I love you guys. Make sure you enjoy your day. Bye.